This is the best way to increase your sales in e-commerce store. You have an e-commerce business with amazing products, but they're not converting into sales? Are you tired of seeing the customers visiting your website and social media ads, but they're not buying? You need to watch this video. This might actually change your business. Before we get further into the video, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell button so you could get more updates from us. There has been an exponential increase in video marketing. This is due to the increasing social media use and video content's growing popularity. More businesses are using video marketing to promote their products and services. Thus, it makes sense to create shoppable videos on your website. Also, live shopping and video ads are generating more traffic to the online stores. So, here are the 5 ways to use shoppable videos to increase your sales in e-commerce store. Use them on your product pages. It is a great way to give customers a closer look at your products and how they work. You can also use shoppable videos on your product pages to answer common questions that the customers might have. Using shoppable videos on your product pages gives them a new experience and helps the visitor to make the purchases faster and easier. Use them on video ads. Shoppable videos are a new way to include videos in your ads. This type of video allows viewers to click the items they see in the video and purchase them directly from the retailer. Shoppable videos are a great way to increase sales as they allow customers to buy the items they see immediately. Including a shoppable video in your next ad campaign is a great way to increase conversion and boost sales. Use them in your email marketing campaigns. Of course, email marketing is still a critical part of your marketing strategy. However, we see a shift from email to video. Video emails are becoming more and more popular for marketers. Including a shoppable video in your email marketing campaign is a great way to increase conversions and the rate of interest. Use them on your social media platforms. As social media platforms evolve, they are increasingly incorporating the features that allow users to make more purchases without ever having to leave the app. This is especially convenient for impulse buys or purchases of items that are time sensitive. For example, concert tickets. For businesses, this presents a unique opportunity to sell their products directly to consumers with little to no overhead cost. Use them on your website's homepage. Adding shoppable videos to your e-commerce store website is a great way to increase conversion rates and boost sales. By allowing customers to shop directly from your video content, you can make the shopping experience more convenient and enjoyable for them. This can lead to more sales and repeat customers in the long run. Some of the world's biggest companies are already using shoppable videos to drive sales and engagement. These include fashion brands like Burberry, Rebecca Minkoff, as well as beauty companies like Sephora and Birchbox. Retailers like Target and Macy's are also beginning to experiment with the new format. And it's not just limited to big businesses, even small businesses are finding success. If you wish to grow your e-commerce sales, check out our Shoppertainment blog that could help you grow your business. This is Danny here from Kiosk. Let's see you in the next video.